Hi everyone, Kat here. Today I'm making some garlic chicken or chicken garlic. Ginger, lemongrass leaves, pepper, pepperoni, and chicken wings. Saute this till it's brown. Low heat. Once you got it brown like this, I'm going to add some water. About 2 cups. And for the seasoning, MSG, granulated chicken bouillon, some black pepper, green chili powder, give it the red color. And we're going to cover this until the chicken is cooked. Alrighty, once the chicken is thoroughly cooked, we're going to add some roasted rice powder. And this is going to thicken up the sauce. Also gives you that nice roasted rice powder smell, aroma. Maybe add a little bit more. And then we just wait for this to thicken up. Okay, once it's thickened up some, go ahead and remove it from the heat. Get another pan. I'm gonna fry some garlic to go in it. Okay, so garlic. About 2 tablespoons, or however much garlic you like. I'm gonna wait till this gets golden brown. Okay, so once your garlic is brown like this, bring back our chicken and put all the garlic in. Nice garlicky aroma. Turn off our heat. And lastly, we add some basil and green onions. This is Thai basil. And voila! Garlic chicken or chicken garlic. sun is coming out. All right, let's dig in, folks. Mmm. Delicious chicken. Mmm. Oh, the light. Let's see. Light is coming through my kitchen. Mm. Mm-mm. Ginger slices. Can't stop eating. So good. Right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.